So we're super excited to be here today just because of the importance of training like this. And this is a one-of-a-kind train. First time we've ever done this actually, where we got all these competitive suppliers in the same room together. Radians has been a gracious host.
The core values between Radians and Sphere One is critical to our overall success and plan of helping train workers across the country. This week highlighted a great event we had at the Radians headquarters in Memphis, Tennessee, where we had over 20 supplier members come and visit and train over the last 3 days.
It's been amazing. We've had so many members attend, and the importance of this is we're making our members stronger by giving them the necessary training that they need to compete day to day against the big guys out in the field.
We also had great participation from the supplier community, which included, of course, the Radians team, Diablo, FallTech, Guardian, Louisville Ladder, and Werner. We were able to cover important critical issues such as hand protection, safety vests, slips and trips, risks at heights, and a lot of different important areas in the industry. I'd like to thank the team from Sphere One for coordinating this event at Radians. It was well worth the time for everyone who attended, and I know there's going to be a lot of great takeaways that come out of this.